back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'll be doing a skin retouch of a model I shot in Florida some time ago. This edit, however, I'm going to be using heavily some plugins that I purchased recently. And as someone who do a lot of photo shoots, sorry about that guys, that's my air freshener, that do a lot of photo shoots. If you want to be working quickly, if you want to be moving fast, a great way to speed up your workflow is to use plugins. Whether you use actions, you save those actions and you use them over and over. If these are actions that you use regularly, I'm a strong believer in thing that aids you in making your work that much more efficient. So the plugin tool that I will be talking about today is called Infinite Tools. And the three main tools that I use in this edit is Infinite Retouch, Infinite Unity, and Infinite Skin. So before I ramble on any further guys, if you're new to the channel, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know how my video is doing, let me know if you have learned anything, and we're gonna just get right into it guys. And remember, please subscribe to the channel if you're new. And if you are new, like the video. You know, it helps me and helps YouTube know that, hey, you guys are enjoying this video, this is something that you guys can learn from, and it shares it with other persons who might be interested in, learning about plugins or learning about skin editing. So before I ramble on anymore, like I said before, I'll get straight into the video. Here we go.
Bye.